So my name's Phil Miller, and I work with the IUCN's Conservation Planning Specialist Group. We're an organization that does conservation planning for endangered species around the world. There's significant threat to these populations of Franciscana all along the coast, from fisheries bycatch, so the animals get caught accidentally in fishing nets. And those threats are very significant in different parts of the animal's distribution, and I think that means that we need to be very careful about how we manage these populations and be very proactive to determine best practices for conservation of the species in the future. It's sad, but we have learned a lot about how to manage small cetaceans like Franciscana from the vaquita experience, right? We learned a lot, and one of the big things we learned is to go in and act earlier. You cannot wait until there's 30 animals. We have to be more proactive and more responsive so that we don't run into a situation where we have 30 animals and we don't know enough about the animals and their management to be able to intervene successfully. So we've got some time now to work very proactively and very aggressively with Franciscana by learning about their behavior, about their physiology, about their biology, about their health. My organization, the Conservation Planning Specialist Group, would be more than interested and very enthusiastic about taking an active role in helping to facilitate a planning process for Franciscana conservation involving both wild populations and ex situ populations. So we would be able to come in, we would be able to design meetings and bring in many different types of people with the right kind of expertise and right kind of perspective, so everybody can contribute, everybody can be heard, their ideas and their positions can be expressed, and collectively they can develop, the organizations here in Argentina and Brazil and Uruguay can develop a plan for effective conservation long into the future. So I think we could play a very active role, and we'd be very interested to do that.